What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're talking about the stock Draftkings. Draftkings has been on such a massive run these past 3 months. As you can see, 15% this week, this month 56% on investment, and the 3-month chart is even more insane. Draftkings is going to the moon. And I'll talk a little bit about in this video why I like Draftkings and why I think it's a really good long-term investment and a great hold for your portfolio. Now, the one thing that made Draftkings really attractive to me is they got backed by ESPN. Now, obviously, we know ESPN is backed by Disney. So the good thing is you got two powerhouse companies backing you. Draftkings is just getting started. If you think in the world of sports bettings, it's slowly getting leaner and leaner on sports betting's laws. If you also see, fantasy is such a big thing. I don't know about you guys, but football, sports betting, all that kind of stuff is always going to be around and it's always going to be prominent. If you look at how successful casinos are, think about how successful Draftkings will be. It's the same kind of platform. It's gambling. And you can do it off one click from your phone. If you also see, they are backed up by so many different sports networks, and we'll be going through that momentarily. I don't know if you guys have noticed all the commercials for Draftkings. If you're a big sports person, you've definitely seen Draftkings pop up. All their different deals, all their different promotions going on. They're really pushing money out to get this thing big. I really like to look at what this analyst had to say about Draftkings, because I definitely agree with him. He says online gambling will reach a market of $42 billion to $58 billion. He then goes on to talk about how he believes they are a leading brand with a target-rich Rolodex related to its market leading fantasy sports business. Also, the company actively uses a data-centric approach to customer acquisition with both operational and capital advantages versus competitors. This is huge for Draftkings. Think about the companies that were first in the software game, or Apple and Microsoft first in the computer game. They are the first to do it and they got people trailing them. But the good thing is, where there's competitors, there's more money to be made. And if you're one of those big companies like Draftkings that started first, you are going to be the one with the most customers. And what does customers bring in? More revenue. Draftkings just keeps getting more and more deals going. We see DraftKings has a deal with the Philadelphia Eagles now. What this means is they now are naming the rights for the field club at the team stadium DraftKings. Ticker DKNG will host a free game called Eagles Stat Showdown. Now, DraftKings is so attractive because they do so well in their promotions and getting people to join their app. When you join their app, they either offer you free money or free plays, or they make it pretty easy to start your first bet. And once you start your first bet, you're likely to place more. Or once you win your first bet, that dopamine hits you, and you're like, let's go, let's keep gambling. Now, mind you, there's still a lot of work Draftkings has to do. A lot of companies have to make it legal, and a lot of things have to happen. But as you can see, it's moving very, very quickly in the direction that we want. Please let me know what you guys think about Draftkings. Do you own the stock, or are you staying away from it? Comment below. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Subscribe, it helps the channel. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.